Guys, and welcome to the watch channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this watch, which is Seiko's Prospex model reference SSC707P. This is Seiko Prospex solar model. Essentially it's very similar technology to what you would find in the Eco Drive line from Citizen, and that is basically a watch that is charged using the direct power of sunlight. If I actually move this watch around, you can see just on the chronograph dials there are the solar panels that allow the watch to be charged through that sunlight. I suppose one of the main benefits in terms of a solar model is you don't need to worry about battery changes. I'm sure this watch would go 15 years plus before you'd need to start thinking about getting some kind of servicing done on this watch. I will show you some pictures of what it looks like at night, and I'll drop them in now for you so you can see. But again, Seiko, in fact anything Seiko, don't need to worry really about the lume. Diameter of the watch, it is a large watch. It's 44 mils across from that west point to east, not including the crown. And while we're talking about the crown, it is unsigned, but it is a screw-in crown. Now, thickness of the watch, 13.7 mils, and doesn't sit particularly high on the wrist. And again, I'll show you examples of what that looks like. But again, it's an action-orientated watch, so it is designed to be fairly legible, and with legible means there's a much larger size than what you would typically get on a regular watch, like a dress watch. One criticism I do have is whilst this strap is very nice and it's a soft calf strap with a signed buckle, is that I really see this as a military style tactical type watch, and as such I would probably have said that this would be better on a canvas or a sailcloth type strap. I did do a video a week or so ago just about this watch, which is the Land Tortoise, and that type of strap on this watch, if it were black, would be an absolute knockout. So, I think if I were going to purchase this watch, then I would certainly swap that strap out, because, I don't think it's as hard wearing or as suitable for the watches. Now, while we're talking about purchasing the watch, I do want to say a huge thank you to starbuy.com.au for loaning this watch to us. Their support is really greatly appreciated, and they always have amazing prices on these watches. If you are considering buying them, please do support small business and go and visit the link in the description. And I'm sure Deepak and the guys over at Starbuy will have a really good price on this watch for you. Right, so where do we start? Chronograph movement, very nice top dial there for the seconds. One thing I must say is, I'm not a big fan of a ticking hand here. I think Seiko's VK series of movements would be much better suited, but again, they're not solar. But the one thing I do like about the Mecha Chronos is the fact that seconds hand does actually tick around in smaller graduations and gives the appearance of a mechanical chronograph. There are some people out there that aren't particularly, enamoured with quartz, but you know what, I just see it for what it is. It's just a good, reliable, no fuss, no maintenance watch, and I think if that's something that you're looking for, then this watch is going to suit you down to the ground. Anyway, like I say, the watch has obviously that date window. What I do like about the date window is it's offset or ringed around by that brighter silver metal window, so it does present a bit of contrast on the dial. One thing I would say is this watch really does remind me of the Fortis Marine Master models. I'll put a picture up in the video for you so you can see it, but yeah, it really reminds me of their cosmonaut watch, and I had one of them, and maybe this is why I look at this one so fondly. I just think that the design is really, really cool. Again, with it being a land model, it doesn't have a ratcheting bezel. It is just a smooth movement bezel. Again, as I said with the Land Tortoise video, the benefit of that is that you avoid Seiko's misaligned bezel problems, so you can set it wherever you want. If you're used to getting it that way, then you can do it, but you can certainly get it set so that it's perfect. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. Like I say, I'll put some pictures up in the video for you so you can see it on the wrist and the lume and what have you. But wish you all the best, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.